Building good habits for taking care of your customers and taking care of your scissors are fundamental for success in the haircutting business. Disinfection, spray your scissors, every client, every haircut, every time, fully saturating the blades. Now you'll also remember we said oil and clean your scissors, every client, every haircut, every time. We talked about using a brush or a clean cloth to remove hair or oil or anything around the blade mechanism. It's important to recognize while the can says lubricates, it's lightweight lubrication. It's not as heavy as conventional oil, and it's not designed to replace conventional oil. It's also important to recognize that the disinfection properties of this product, the disinfectant, kind of eliminates some of the oil. It kind of washes or wipes away the oil. So the idea of disinfect every client, every haircut, oil every client, every haircut, it's part of building that total routine for proper scissor care. So from the top, when you're done, brush off any loose or accumulated hair anywhere around the blade area, wipe it clean and free of clippings, spray to saturate effectively to disinfect, oil directly down on the ride area, close it and open it a couple times to wiggle it in there, and put it in the case. Now you're taking care of scissors. RockPaperShears.com. Thanks for watching.